So I have my cock sorted out anyway. I have to sink him there now. Let's see, can we get it in through the hole there now? He's a non-intensive variegated cock. A lovely bird, nice fine feather. The camera doesn't seem to be picking up the non-intensive on him. This is a non-intensive red ivory cock. He's an old cock now, but got some lovely birds off him over the years, so I'm going to put him to a red hen this time. Get a few ivory carriers and just with a look, get a few ivory hens. It's a non-intensive cock here. A lovely bird as well. Nice feather on him. Another red ivory intensive cock. Got one bird from him last year and it's a hen. So he'll be going back to his daughter. Lovely colour on him. He's a fine big hen. So clear red mosaic. From a friend last year, beautiful bird. So I'll be going with him now again this year. He'll probably be going to two hens, but I'm going to get one hen down to make sure she's down, and then I might move him across to the other side. Another flight is red mosaic, clear red mosaic, lovely bird. Get me lovely birds as I get last year as well. So he could be possibly going to two hens as well. The way things is going. Intensive red cock here. Beautiful bird, lovely feather. I have to keep focusing on the wires, but another unflighted intensive red cock here. Nice colour as well, and lovely feather. Another intensive red cock here, variegated cock. He throws unbelievable coloured birds. Not as big as the others, but the hen that I put him with last year produced lovely birds. So I'll be pairing these two back together again. Non-intensive variegated bird here. Nice frosting on this bird as well. Nice height size head. Lovely bird. I originally thought it was a hen, but singing its brains away. Another variegated non-intensive cock here. Lovely bird as well. Oh, it's starting to get very flighty now. Lovely bird as well, nice feather. Brilliant colour. Another intensive cock here. More of a stock bird, big bird. Throws lovely birds. Nice feather as well. Nice big head. This is an old intensive bird that I have here. Throws lovely birds as well. Can't seem to get an intensive cock from him now. all his non-intensive cocks, intensive hens. The intensive hens of savage colour. So we'll keep going. I know there's going to be one there eventually. He's going with a different hen now this year. I'm actually thinking of putting him back to his daughter. Get a bit of his bloodline back. Another clear red mosaic here, young bird from last year. Nice little bird. Another clear red mosaic here again. Lovely type to this bird, nice mask. Just single them out now, they'll be going in having plenty of bats, freshen them up for the big occasion. Hens are still in the flight.